How to book flight tickets online using Royal Dutch Airlines. So the first step is to simply search for book flight tickets online, Royal Dutch Airlines, and click on this link. Then you're gonna get redirected here. We're gonna have to simply choose the departing from country. So in my case, I'm gonna choose this one here and where you want to arrive. So I'm gonna go with Amsterdam. Then you're gonna have to choose the travel dates. So you're gonna have to simply choose any of the available dates. Then choose the passengers. So I'm gonna go with one adult. And then here you can choose the class. So you have economy and business. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on search flights, and if there is any available flights for that specific date, you're gonna see, as you can see, from 200 euros, and if you scroll down you're gonna see different prices. So what you're gonna have to do is simply choose any of these and click on them, and then basically select the one that you want. As you can see here, you have different options. As you can see, this one here, you have one check the baggage, which is 23 kilograms. Then here, if you want, as you can see, you can basically get all of these benefits. So simply select any of these, then choose the dates. As you can see here, you can see the different price ranges, and after that what you're gonna have to do is simply if you want, you can choose a return flight if you really want one. So you can simply choose any of the available ones, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply pay, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.